Right, let's play. And on the leg side. Gujranwala, and they got to 179. No need to overcook it early in this run chase. Off the mark.
First few deliveries.
Clipped away, timed properly enough to get 4. First boundary of the innings.
And that's why I'm saying he's got to start just a bit further outside that off stump. You can see he comes in with the angle. That ends up on about off stump, yes, but it's too full, and that's why he's taking advantage of that.
Couple runs, good positive running. End of the first over, 10 runs coming from it.
This time they decide to go first up with one.
Through the field in that cover region, was struck firmly. Little blunder allows for 4 to be conceded.
It looked like he's just rushed himself here. Very quickly through the action. Wants to ball that ball as quickly and as flat as possible. Too short. He's done well to just give himself a bit of room so that he can maneuver it through that cover area.
And again, that's a gorgeous looking extra cover drive, consecutive boundaries. Another good start for Basit Ali.
You know, the plan to start off with the spinners backfired so far. 2 boundaries off the first 2 balls of his over. Haven't been great deliveries. First one short, bit of width this time. Full outside the off stump. Basit Ali won't miss out on deliveries like that.
In white ball cricket, got stumped. Stumped beautiful, way back past the bowler. 4 more.
Mature batting. Slightly over pitched. Knows the fielders are in the circle. Let me go up and over the top. Hasn't looked to force it.
Let the ball grip from the surface. That was short with pace on. And no protection in that deep fine leg position because the man is inside the 30-yard circle.
They enjoyed that. Played once again. He's just got inside the line of the ball. He knows 45's in the circle. Use the pace of the ball. Still new, hard. Don't have to use my own power. Just use the pace of the delivery. Another boundary.
Short. In the air for a while and away from the fielder. That's another boundary. The 3rd in the over and a positive end. An expensive over, 15 runs coming from it after 3. 57 without loss. Cross seam delivery, so that's good to see. And that subtle variation in the grip from the bowler, attempting to get some extra bounce.
Quick single. That looks like he was probably home.
Again, the positive running straight away after the ball making contact with the bat. Pull was made. Mane. I want to just...
Run out opportunity back in time. This was an opportunity. Mane was keen for a single. He was nowhere near the frame.
Lofted shot. Just a little too full and a little too wide on that occasion.
Calculated. by Basit Ali. It's the arm ball, bit of extra momentum. But with all the fielders on the offside in the circle. Again, he knows that just a decent connection.
Runs are coming in. They're keeping up with that run rate. Not a very good effort down there in the deep. Should have been and cut that off. That's Bahawalpur racing to their 50. 52 for no loss in the 6th over, just at the start of it.
What a reply this has been. We've seen a little bit of poor fielding throughout. Needed to probably get a dive in. Remember, they're chasing 180, which is the highest score so far.
Don't worry, the wicket-taking commentary pair is here. I left them at 24 for 4 in the power play, and when I come back, they are 150 in the power play after 15. I was like, what's going on? Selfie time with the chairman of the Pakistan Cricket Board. Should take all their phones and just go to his office. Let's play that over, long on. That's a maximum. For a moment, I thought that might not go all the way.
First 6 of the innings, I think we've seen one of the best catches so far. I think this is one of the best shots so far in this competition because of the power, the position he found himself in. It was a little bit done by a bit of pace, but he's still able to go, what, 70 metres, probably further than that to the advertising hoardings. So
and they're not sticking to basics. They're trying various things to get a wicket here. I think that's taken the top edge of the bat. It's just at the shoulder of the bat. And it's gone flying over the keeper for a boundary. And he moves to 49 with that. And that's also the end of the power play. 62 for no loss.
yeah, pace this. I'm not sure he hits this. It's given runs. I think this comes off his helmet. Yeah, it does, straight off his helmet.